So for this Catalyst 137 RXC, we developed an all-new rear suspension. A lot of the rear arm, idler arm geometry and pull rod geometry is based off our latest upgrades to the Snowcross sled, and as well as the Consumer 137, kind of using the best of both worlds there. It's coupled with the long front arm that we've had in the race sled for over 6 years now. This suspension has been dialed to give us a coupled suspension feel, but also have it so that the coupling block on one is doing very little, allowing you the most transfer, but staying manageable to get around the corners. It'll be offered with a four-wheel rear axle and stronger idler wheels like we have in the cross-country sled today. With the 137 length, we went back and forth between 129 and 137 for the cross-country racers, and between myself and other racers such as Zach Herfindahl and David Brown, we felt like the 137 was the step in the right direction. This sled, being longer than our current cross-country sled, doesn't feel longer. It feels just as nimble through the deep holes and through the trail chop. It turns on a dime. We're still offering the racer full QS3 adjustability on the front and rear track shock, along with rebound adjust on the rear track. We're going with the 1.35 Cobra rear track. The Cobra track has been an all-in-all good offering for ice and ditch races. So our racers will be happy with that. It's coupled with a 8-inch rear suspension wheel in the back versus 7 1/8 today. Take a little rolling resistance away. All new springing on this thing, from the torsions to the front arm. Just looking at how this vehicle is pitched and balanced. That's about it.